Hello everyone, this is Sushma, registered clinical dietitian at Care Hospitals, Banjara Hills. So let's see some food recommendations for diabetes. So when you see the food recommendations will come along with the food groups. So when you see the first food group as carbohydrates, as we know we can include complex carbohydrates and avoid simple and refined carbohydrates, and also when you're including the carbohydrates, portion control or portion size, or we call it as carbohydrate counting, is very important. So it's better to avoid refined and processed foods, high sugary foods, and it's better to include complex carbohydrates like it can be wheat, jowar, millets, quinoa, brown rice. These are very good to include. And when we come to the protein sources, protein like lean meats, white meats like chicken, fish, eggs are preferred, and you can avoid processed meats, frozen meats and red meat because you have the tendency to increase your lipids. So it's better to avoid high fatty foods. When it comes to vegetables, vegetables are good sources of fiber, so you can include liberally your vegetables, but be conscious about the starchy vegetables like underground vegetables like potatoes, beetroots, yam. All these things you can restrict or avoid. When it comes to fruits, also a good sources of vitamins, minerals and fiber. So you can include high fiber and low calorie fruits and avoid high calorie fruits like mangoes, bananas, custard apples, grapes. These fruits you can avoid, and other fruits you can include in your diet, but see the portion size. 50 to 100 grams of fruits you can include. When it comes to dairy products, milk and milk products you can include, but see that you are using toned milk or double toned milk instead of full fat or whole milk. And when it comes to fats and oils, be very conscious about your fat intake. See that at least minimum you're using half a liter per person per month, and do not stick to one oil. Keep changing your oil seeds, like for example sunflower, safflower, rice bran, refined groundnut, olive, mustard. So you can have a combination of oils, but do not mix the two oils. You can use it separately. Thank you.